The X-ray feature might be one that you have already spotted in the menu of the navigation when you're in a book, but maybe you have no idea what it is for. Don't worry, the Kindle won't send out any hurtful rays through your body. X-ray screens the content of the book you're reading, so dare to try it out. X-ray is especially useful when you read a fiction book with many characters or locations, like The Lord of the Rings, for example. Maybe you're like me and keep getting confused about one or the other person. In this case, you can use X-ray to look up all the mentions of that character or location that is mentioned. But it also works well with non-fiction books. Maybe there are terms in a textbook, a business title or self-help book that keep coming up. X-ray helps you to find all the locations in the book where it is used, but often it also gives you a Wikipedia explanation for the word. This way you don't have to turn on your smartphone or ask Dr. Google. You have access to all the needed information right on your Kindle. It is important to mention that it is up to the publisher of a book whether it offers the X-ray function or not. So in case you're wondering why some books have it and some don't, there's nothing wrong with you or your device. It's just not available. Check it out. It can be a great asset for learning. And if then you combine it with the highlight feature and have it as a part of your clippings to be able to go back to it in your book excerpt, you will be unstoppable.